ンさんは在宅でお仕事してるんだよね。
Yeah, Janglish is my full-time job, so I mainly work from home.
めっちゃいいじゃん。
I mean, it's pretty nice, but to be honest with you, I work a lot almost every day, and while my wife is at her job, I try to do as many chores and errands as I can.
じゃあすごい忙しいね。でも、chores と errands って何？
A chore is a small task that you do while you're at home. For example, washing the dishes, doing your laundry, sweeping the floor.
chores は皿洗いとか家事のことを指すんだね。
Yeah, and errands are the tasks that you have to leave your home to do. So, for example, buying groceries or sending mail at the post office or getting cash from an ATM.
errands は外に出て済ませる用事のことを言うんだ。じゃあ日中は家事とか用事を済ませてるの？
Yeah, I do many chores and I run a lot of errands. You know, I sometimes hear people say do an errand, but I think it's more common to say run an errand.
ちなみに今日私の洗濯物も持ってきたんだよね。You can also do my chores. 大丈夫？
皆さんが応援してくれるおかげでもっとジャングリッシュの動画を作ることができます。チャンネル登録を忘れずに、これからも新しい英語表現のレッスンを楽しみにしててくださいね。